Today we are looking at a Citizen L20EIX 1M9 Swiss type CNC lathe. This machine was new in 2010 and it has a CAV 20 bar loader, mist collector, high pressure coolant, SimCom control, and also includes an LNS chip conveyor. Let's tune in and hear the machine run.
Spindle's currently running at 1500 RPM. $2,500 main spindle. 3,500. The max on these is 10,000. That's 5,500. All right, now we're gonna do the C-axis. Machine has a full C-axis on the main. All right. We're gonna do the sub spindle. You gonna run it first? 2,500 on the sub, nice and quiet. $4,000. The max on this one is 8. That's 6,000 RPM. Okay. Yep, we'll do the live tools on the vertical slide, vertical gang tool block. How fast is that? 4,500 RPM. All right. $4,500 on the back. Cross live tools. Cross drill. All right. All right.
This machine is available now. Please call Rick at 978-884-1785 or Emma at 978-590-6726 to schedule an inspection today. Also, please check out our website at www.bidspecialist.net. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to hear from you soon.